Hi, this is Ahmed with you from Mudir. In this video, we're going to set lock date. What do we mean by lock date? It's a date that you can set in Manager that prevents you or any other users from making transactions before this date. In Manager, the lock date is optional, and the benefits of setting lock date is preventing you from making any changes that affect the financial ledgers. We're gonna set the lock date right now. Go down, then go to settings. Go to lock date. Now we've got this option, which is the only option, lock accounting periods. We will gonna tick on it and choose the lock date. For example, we're gonna lock the date on 31st of July. This means that until this date, we cannot create transaction. This date is included, by the way. Click on update. Now we can see that this lock has been appeared in this screen. It means that there is a lock date here. We're gonna move the mouse to see what is the lock date. So we've got here 31st of July 2013 is the lock date. No one can create a transaction in this date and before this date. We're gonna see an example on 31st of July 2023. We are going to see if we can create it or not. For example, we're gonna create a sales order. Click on sales orders, click on new sales order. We're gonna fill all necessary information and we will be back. We are now back and we've got the transaction. Click on create in order to create it as usual. There is a message here says that no transaction dated before lock date 31st of July 2023 can be created or updated. So now the system is preventing you from creating these transactions in this date and before it. Click on OK. So now we are back to the page. In order for this transaction to be created, we should adjust the date. Scroll up and adjust the date. We're going to choose a date after 31st of July 2023, the lock date. For example, 1st of August. Scroll down, click on create. So now the transaction has been created as usual. This option can be applied in all the transactions in the left. And that's how we can set lock date in Manager. This is Ahmed with you from Mudir. Thanks for tuning on. Have a nice and productive day.